going on? Ruxandra here and welcome to my new video on email marketing automation and list creation in 2021 Get Response tutorial. So in this video you will learn how to automate your emails, how to create your list, and how to integrate all of them together with your website if you already have one. Okay, so in fact, automation tools are included in this beautiful platform that will allow you to manage your contacts in an advanced way. That's thanks to the segmentation of lists and the creation of automatic submissions based on user behavior. So if a user does that, it will happen that. So this is kind of the work behind. Okay, so the creation of emails takes place through a very simple to use interface that allows you to obtain professional results, also thanks to the availability of ready to use templates. I will show you. Okay, so the creation of automations takes place through the insertion of specific actions with a simple drag and drop. So you will see that is not very difficult. When you need to put text in your email, you will just drag and drop text. When you need a photo, you will just drag and drop a photo, and so on with every and each piece of your email. Okay, so that you can connect to each other according to logical conditions, so you can organize it better according to your needs. Okay, so why I like this app is because again it has a very vast potential and has a very good price, has a competitive price, and starts at a very good offer per year. I think I paid $152 or $153 dollars per year, so it's a very good one. And you can also have landing pages, autoresponders, forms, whatever, and you have a lot of options for your business. It's also a landing page creator, which allows you to do that. It has 99% deliverability, it has free images, and so on. Okay, so I will be sharing my screen with you right now, and I will be showing you how I am doing the automation, from beginning to the end. Okay. Okay. And 3 more pages. This one. I was searching for which one to share. Yeah. Okay. So here we go. You go on, your search engine and you type in Get Response and you click enter. Then you go to the website. Okay, here appears in Italian because right now I'm in Tuscany with my daughter on holiday, so that's why everything is Italian. I have to translate it in order to be in English, which I don't really like, and everything is messed up a little bit with languages because when you're changing location, they automatically do some stuff which they really have to you have to set and be careful with. Okay, so here you if you sign up here, you will have 30 days for free just to test it, if it works and if you like it. Okay, so, and delete whenever you want and unsubscribe whenever you want if you don't want to put it like for a year or so. Yeah, but it's a very good one. Okay, so you just hit sign up for free, fill in the details they will require, your address, your name, your email, and so on. Okay, so once you get the confirmation email, please click there activate your account. I don't do it again because I already have it, so there's no point to do it again, and you already know how to fill in some information. So you will get an activation email, so you click on activate, the activate button. and then you will be able to use your account, and it will look like this, this one. Okay, it will look like this. So this will be the page you will be having when you will be finishing, you know, not with all the information, but a little bit emptier than mine. Okay, so to create a list, you go to lists here, create list, and you name your list. I don't know if you have like, I don't know which product. Let's say I have like a digital marketing 2021. I don't use spaces, only, you know, dash or all together, because it doesn't work with spaces, like empty spaces between. Okay, and it will also tell you when somebody else has this name, this list name, so you can choose another one. Okay, so here it is, the list is created. Once you created your list, okay, here, what's happening? Okay, you go to settings, list settings. Here you will have the list name. Okay, you can add title, a list description, and so on. You can choose a category here. I use internet marketing. The language, I always put it in English, because yeah, that's the main language I'm communicating with, and the people, you know, who are interested are a little bit more, you know, into English than in other languages, because others are specific ones. So English, like, it's an international one. Okay, so here you can choose a logo and to link your logo to a website here also. Okay, just save general setting if you finished. Okay, here you go to subscription. Yeah, you can choose to send subscription notification every time, and imagine that when you receive like 1,000 emails per day, and yeah, you just you just hear bing 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 and so on. So it's not very good. I always keep them like unselected. Here is very important to check here. Manage pages your contacts see. This is very important to custom URL. So here you will put your custom URL, your website, you know, just don't forget that, because it's otherwise you will get like the get response link, which is not very classy, let's say. So anyway, you also use a domain because it looks better. It is more professional, and if you already have a website, it's easier, you know, for you to do that, and it's a very important step. Okay, so this is yeah, it needs the entire link. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that. Okay, dots // so this is the entire, yeah, the entire. It's better to copy from your search engine, you know, that appears on top. So you copy the link and you paste it in here. That's a better solution. Okay, save. Then you'll go here to create your autoresponder. Okay, the confirmation message here, it's like, yeah, I don't it's like a confirmation email every time somebody is that has no sense for me right now. I don't use it. Okay, so here you select autoresponders. Now you will create your autoresponder. Okay, so here you click on create autoresponder. and you name it, like, I don't know, marketing, how to start with affiliate marketing or so. Yeah, you can name it. Okay, here is another important step you must do, the linked list here. But yeah, because otherwise your emails will go into another list. You know, the people that will sign up will go into the wrong list if you don't choose the list. So you have to be careful to choose the list that you created. That's Digital Marketing 2021 we just created. Okay, you just choose that. Okay, so you have the linked list here. Okay, here at Autoresponder settings, you will leave 0. And why it's that? It's because and the same time at sign up time, that's because the person that signs up will receive the email just at the same exit moment that he signs up. So in that second he will receive, you know, that email. It doesn't work so fast sometimes, but yeah, that's kind of a comparison. He will receive the email right away, the first one. And the next ones usually do it like day 1, so the next day, same hour, he will receive, you know, the second one. Okay, so here day 0 is the first one that he will receive it right away. Number 1 will be the first email he will receive the next day. Okay, so it works like that, and you just keep counting when you create it. You can add so many, you can add hundreds if you want, like follow-up emails. You just create it and they will just work automatically, you know, and each and every subscriber you get. So that's a very good thing when you try to automate a little bit your business, because you don't have to just, you know, write every single email to each and every person. That will be exhausting, you know. Here you introduce your subject line, you know, how to market your business. Okay, design and content. Here you will see the templates that I was talking about. Look, you have a lot of them. Okay, so you can choose a lot of templates if you want like a classy or more complicated email or stuff. Here are my templates, blank templates, which I use very much. Okay, so here I have like I use this template every single time. Okay, it's a very simple one which I'm used to. Here on the right you have things that you can select. You can select an image. You can put an image before if you want, before your email, but I don't really do that. I put the text first. Okay, so yeah, let's say, yeah, just a second, I'll check for some text here to put. Okay, here I'll just, yeah, here. Okay, so here is the text. You can also add an image. I usually put that for the signature because I'm putting here my signature every single. It looks very good. Be sure you do your signature in Canva. If you don't know how to do it, I'll make a video on how to make a signature also, how I did this, because yeah, it took me a while until I figured out how to do it. You can add your social media button also here, drag and drop again. Okay, and here you can put each and every link to your, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and so on, and you just save it and you will have like a beautiful email, to, okay, the subject and the pre-header, that's another story. I put spaces so it's easier to read, because nobody will read like a very, very long email. If you put like phrases like this, it's easier to read. It's readable actually. Otherwise, yeah, they won't really read it. Okay, so here you also have like a link. Yeah, Okay. So how you highlight that, and you just if they will click it, they will get directly to the website. You go here, insert link. Okay, so your link text. You can also instead of having that, you can put I don't know, getting started here, and they will get you to the website. You can write whatever you want, and they will just have it. Okay, so now you just go back and next, you go on next. Okay, so here you have it, and you hit save and publish. This is the right way to do it. I did it even other ways before at the beginning, and it messed up all my work. So be sure you click save and publish. Okay, then you go to your autoresponder. Okay, how to start with affiliate marketing. Okay, immediately. Okay, so this is the one we were doing before. Okay, send test message. Okay, I'll show you how it looks like. You can choose whatever email you're using. Okay, so let's see if we're receiving the email. It should be right away. Okay, so look, it's me. How to market your business. So you can put whatever you want there. Okay, so here is how your email will look like. Here, if you click on this one and you put the links in there, they will go directly to your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Okay, so this is a very nice looking email. So if they click on this one, they will go to your website and so on. Yeah, so this is a very easy way to automate your work, and it won't take you a lot of time, because otherwise you would have to write like hundreds of emails, every single time somebody just comes in. Okay, so yeah, this is what I paid and so on. Yeah, okay, these are some billing some pricing. It was the year plan, yeah, for me, so that was the link I used. Okay, so this is it for now. I will also make a video on how to create a landing page and integrate that with your website, and yeah, I think that will be very helpful for you also. And I will also go deeper after into how to create like your website, and how to build your exposure on social media also. Okay, so thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.